Hey guys, this is Jom and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, first of all, I welcome you to the channel that brings you everything that you need to know about civil engineering. Today, we are going to talk about why the study of IS codes is important for building design. So when it comes to the building design, safety is always a top priority. That's why it's crucial to follow the Indian standard codes, that is the IS codes, which provides the guidelines and the standards for the building design. Now, if I have to sum up like why this is important, then I will sum up it in six different points. So first point is safety. IS codes provide the guideline and standard for the buildings design that ensure the safety of the occupants. Compliance with these codes helps to prevent accidents, failures, and disasters in building. Second point is the quality. Okay, so IS codes provide the specification and standard for the quality of the material and the workmanship used in the building construction. Compliance with these codes ensures that a building is constructed with high quality material and workmanship, resulting in a durable and a long lasting structure. Third point is cost effectiveness. Compliance with IS codes can help to reduce the cost of construction by optimizing the use of the material and ensuring that the construction is done efficiently and effectively. Fourth point is legal compliance. Compliance with IS codes is often legal requirement of the building design and construction. Failure to comply with these codes can result in legal action and penalties. Fifth will be the standardization. So IS codes help to standardize building design and construction practices, making it easier for the architects, engineers, and the builders to communicate and work together efficiently. Sixth point will be innovation. IS codes periodically update and reflect new technologies at best practices in building design and construction. Studying these codes can help architects and engineers stay up to date on the latest development and incorporate innovative solutions to the construction projects. Okay, so there you have it. The importance of the IS codes for building design. Compliance with these IS codes is crucial for ensuring the safety, cost effectiveness, legal compliance, standardization, and innovation in the building construction. So now what we need to understand, what are the different IS codes that we need to study, or you can say we must study before starting a like building, or if before starting the design of a building. Okay, so I would suggest you eight different codes. First one will be IS 875 Part 1. So this code is for dead loads. This standard provides a guideline for calculating the self-weight of different structural components such as walls, floors, and roofs. Second code will be IS 875 Part 2. So on total, there are five parts in the IS 875 that you need to study, but all these parts are having different roles. So I'm just going to suggest you one by one each of them. Okay, so IS 875 Part 2 is for imposed loads. This standard provides guidelines for calculating the live loads on different types of buildings such as residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Third is IS 875 Part 3, which is for wind loads. This standard provides guidelines for calculating wind loads on building and structures based on the geographical location, building height, and exposure category. Fourth code that you must study is IS 875 Part 4. Snow, and this code is for snow loads. This standard provides a guideline for calculating the snow loads on buildings and structures in regions that experience heavy snowfalls, like in our India, it can be Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, or any cold places like the Darjeeling. Okay, then fifth is IS 875 Part 5, which is for load, special loads and load combinations. Okay, this standard provides the guidelines for calculating the special loads such as earthquake load, fluid pressure loads, and impact loads, and how to combine them with other loads. Okay, so load combination is like used in each of the project that you are working with. Okay, then The sixth code that I will suggest you to study is IS 1893-2016. Obviously, there are several versions of IS 1893 available in the market, but you have to study the IS 1893-2016. As I said, that IS codes keep themselves updating, so you have to work with the updated code always. Okay, like earlier, the IS 875 was a single code. Okay, but now this is divided in five different parts. So similarly, the IS 1893 has a older version also. Okay, but now you have to study 2016 only. So this is for the criteria of earthquake resistance design of structures. Now the seventh code that I will suggest you, which is a must read code for all the civil engineers out there, is IS 456 2000, which is code of practice for plain and reinforced concrete. Now the eighth code that I would suggest from my side is IS 800 2007, which is for general construction in steel code of practice. Okay, so I hope all these codes you have noted already, and you will definitely study all these things before jumping to the structural design of the building. And if you want me to help you with your building design skills, then you can join my live online classes. And for that, all you have to do is to simply give me a call on 8433248864, or you can also connect me on WhatsApp using the same number 8433248864. I will also put the number in the description so you can easily connect with me. And the charges for the live courses are like quite minimum if you will see the topics that are being covered in this. So in this building design course, what we are covering, we will start with all the theories that are related to the building design, or you can see it, or that are needed for the building design. Then we will go for the STAAD Pro software, where we will learn the modeling of the building, and then we will also design it. Okay, then third comes the RCDC, where we will learn how to simplify the designing process and how to generate the detailed results. Fourth, we will work on the Excels for some manual designs also, because there are some structural members which are better to be designed manually than using any software. And the fifth, we will learn the drafting of all the designs and generating the printable results, or you can say shareable results, which you can give it to your client in AutoCAD. Okay, so everything will be covered from the bottom to top, and we will take up the project of the residential building, and that will be a live project because I am also a building consultant and I'm getting projects like every now and then, and so I will simply just take up the project on which I am working, and I will start your classes based upon that. So guys, if you are willing to start your career as a building design engineer, or you can say a structural engineer, then you can connect me. My number is again in the description. I will wait for your call. Thank you, guys.